Hey guys, welcome back to Mess and Wrenches Garage. We are on the verge of finishing up our 8N restoration here. My papa's been working hard while I've been at work on the 8N. I ordered him some new rims for the back because, like I said in the last one, our other tube was mixed matched. He fixed that hole in the side the best he could. It looks pretty good. It's a lot better than what it was anyway. There's the hood all painted up. We've been missing you guys. I had to take a friggin' internet break. A lot of these people, especially in the Facebook forum groups, have been a bunch of friggin' assholes. Guys, there ain't no reason in that. If you just can't be nice to somebody, then just keep your mouth shut. I mean, it's not that hard. You really don't have much left to go on it. What all do we really like besides the two back tires?
Getting tires. It'll be 2 more weeks before I get the tires. Let's see. What else will I need? Oh, that for the tank, the unit.
Oh, the sediment bowl?
Yeah, sediment bowl and wires. That plug right there is cracked. It's probably where we're gonna tape it up, put them old wires back on it, get it started up again. Then I need wires and plug. Pretty much that's about it, except for having this alternator checked. If it don't work, I just have to get another one. I hope it works, which I doubt. But anyways, 3 things. We got oil change. I gotta change the oil.
Did you ever figure out your starter switch issue?
No, I ain't yet, but I will. But anyway, that's, I believe it's a lack of power on that button over there. I think, I don't know for sure, but I'll find out. But anyway, it's a shaping up. A little at a time.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and set this hood on here.
Get off my horse.
Huge, yeah. Looks good, don't it? You know, all this work and everything we done on this tractor, it don't matter because we got the year wrong, remember?
Should have waited till you got that tied up our tight. You want me to loosen this back up?
Now we can work the bugs out as needed.
Still rolling.
extension steering wheel, making it hard to get to.
So I get that in.
Go around this way. I think that side over there needs to come in. There you go. Well,
This does too.
get your bumper tightened up.
I'm at adjustable wrench. Hanging on the wall. Fix that. Hold the thing up. Hold it bumper up.
Alright, he's got the bumper on there. He's putting the manifolded on it right now. Shoot, baby, it looks good.
Where that other freaking gasket go?
It's right there on the ground, beside that napkin. That intake tube looks good like that. That intake tube looks good like that. There it is. It's almost done.
I need to find one bolt nut. Go on out there. That dang, I doubt that
Oh, there's a
brass strip that metal.
there's an exhaust stud right there.
Or
Right there on the floor. Might be able to get it off. I think it's exhaust stud.
it's bigger than that. No, that went into that.
Oh. Well, shoot. Did you get that that face out of the house for it?
No, it's down there. Go there and get it over here.
Alright, I'll be back in a second. I'll go get it. What you ain't got, you make do with.
Be nice if you had 3 more hands.
Yeah. Oh.
That's good enough.
Oop. Alright, it's in there finally.
Watch out, maybe hand.
This vent, we don't know what happened with the color. They're the same brand. They were both light Ford gray. I don't know. The other 8M back there has that that glass jar option.
It's right here too when I find one.
Yeah, we couldn't find one online. If you guys know where you can get it, I'm sure it's available. But if you know where we can get it, just comment down below and we'll order one and put it on here. Alright guys, that's all we're going to be able to do today on it. Me and my wife, we're going out of town this weekend, so we figured we'd get you a little something to watch. But it's hard to believe, the old tractor we got out of the junkyard's almost ready to get back in the fields and do the thing, I guess. But remember guys, until next time, Keep them out of the crusher. God bless y'all. We love you.